Hey everyone, so this is my 2013 Harley Sportster XL1200C. Right now, I'm going to be doing a stage 1 upgrade to it. I've got the Vance and Hines short shot staggered chrome pipes, and I'm going with a Harley Screamin Eagle stage 1 air cleaner, as well as the Vance and Hines fuel pack. I just want to do kind of before and after, what the stock sounds like and what the new pipes are going to sound like. So here's the stock sound. So yeah, I just see the pipes I got, pretty common pipes that I've seen on a lot of Sportsters, but I'm assuming it's for some reason. They sound pretty good, they look pretty good, and got some new gaskets for the exhaust manifold, as well as the Vance and Hines fuel pack, 4-pin FP3. So looking forward to that. Still waiting on my air cleaner to come in from the Harley. I bought these from Fort9.ca. It's great company. Bought them on Friday. We had a holiday on a Monday here, and they were here on Tuesday, today. So I'll update you more when I have more. Thanks. So I put the Screamin Eagle stage 1 intake on, the Willie-g cover, and I put the Vance and Hines short shots. I've got an FP3 tuner. I have not tuned yet. This is the bike untuned. Okay, so I just ran the FP3 map. So with the short shot, standard baffle, and the high flow intake, 1200 Sportster. Let's see what it sounds like.